Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate two-step verification on Gmail to protect your Google account. Let's begin. Once you've successfully opened your browser, this is going to be your homepage, okay? And adding a two-step verification is very important as an extra layer of security that requires a code sent to your phone in addition to your password. I want you to go over here, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and select Manage your Google account. Okay. Next, on the left menu over here, click on Security. Then under Signing, okay, under Signing into Google, select two-step verification over here. Two-step verification. Let's click on that. And then you just need to re-enter your password, then enter your phone number. Choose to get your codes via text or call. Okay. So you do have the option to uh, make sure to get this through code. That's the most quickest way we can get this done. Then make sure to click next afterwards. Enter the code you receive from your phone, then click next and then turn on. Okay. And that's it. Two-step verification is now active, keeping your Gmail safer from unauthorized access. I hope you found this video very helpful.